I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to receive money through Apple Pay, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Wallet app. Launch the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where you manage your Apple Pay settings and transactions. Step 2. Set up Apple Cash. If you haven't already, enable Apple Cash in your wallet settings. Go to the Apple Cash section and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 3. Share your Apple Pay information. To receive money, share your Apple ID email or phone number linked to Apple Pay with the sender. They will need this to send you the funds. Step 4. Accept the payment. Once the sender sends you money, you will receive a notification. Open the Wallet app to see the transaction and accept it. Step 5. Transfer to bank account. If you want to transfer the received funds to your bank, tap on Transfer to Bank in the Apple Cash section and follow the instructions. Remember, if the sender is using an older version of iOS, they might not see the option to send money directly. Always check for updates. Happy transacting!